Hi YouTube family, this is my first video on dragon fruits. So this is my first experience with dragon fruits. I'm a beginner, so I'm just trying to learn as much as possible. Um, Here are some of the ones that I recently bought. So I made a few trellises. I made 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought the wooden planter, then made this post and built that on top of it. Um, Hopefully it'll work. Then I added some soil with some chicken manure, so hopefully it works. The post, the trellis, I made it out of some wood that I had in my backyard. You know, just made some use of it. So these are the dragon fruit plants that I have, that I bought. I believe this one's Vietnam white. It seems to I already have these plants for, I believe, 2 weeks, and I'm hoping they already took, um, because I'm starting to see some sort of growth on some. I don't know if you can see that. All right, there's a little tiny growth right there. Oh, right there. So this is the Vietnam white, and on this side I have a little one. I think it's called Photo Child, and it has a little bit of growth right there. Then on this side I have a Purple Haze. It seems to be growing a little bit right there. And on that side I have one that is called David Bowie, and it seems to have some growth right there and up here. So it seems to be doing good, I hope. This one, I believe it was called Pink LaBerne. I don't think it's doing too well, so we'll see what happens in the next few weeks. And on this side I have one that's called Zamorano. It has a few growths right there. It's just growing. I don't know, I've seen on some videos that people trim, cut up here to let it branch out. I'm just trying to let it grow a few more inches so I can propagate uh, the part that I'm going to cut off. But I've seen some people that don't even cut it off and branches still grow out of it, so I don't know yet. And then I have this one. It's called Halley's Comet. It has two little branches coming out, so seems to be doing good, I hope. Today is, this whole week is gonna be so hot, over 100 degrees, so I hope they don't get sunburned that much. Eventually I want to put a shade on top to protect them, but until then I hope they don't die. So as I said before, I'm just a beginner. I'm learning. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, so I hope they all make it. These are all my Mickey Mouse trellises that I made. As you can tell on this ones, these are the ones that I made first. I put more plants because I didn't have that many trellises, but from now on I'm just gonna be doing this, just putting one for each trellis. So like for example this one, I think once I make more trellises, I'm just gonna take Purple Haze. I'll probably leave Purple Haze since it's on the other side of David Bowie. I don't know. I'm just a beginner. I'm starting. I don't know. I'm learning. So if you guys have any tips, I would love to hear those tips in the comments. Give me some pointers, some tips, advice. Yeah. All right, YouTube. I'll let you guys go. I'll keep putting more updates as my plants grow or die. I hope not. So, yeah. Bye bye.